Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Hi Pisces water sign. This is April weekly reading. This is general, may or may not resonate everyone. So take what resonate and leave the rest. Energy could be vice versa, guys. So let's see what are the messages for you and what's going on. Pisces, what are the messages for you? Pisces, what are the messages for you and what's going on? I think a lot of cards in this reading resonate to Sagittarius reading. If you want to watch Sagittarius reading, do watch because a lot of cards are similar. Under the deck, Three of Swords and Knight of Swords. You are heartbroken, Pisces. Right now you are missing someone badly. And Knight of Swords, someone is rushing to talk with you. They want to express their true feelings to you. Yes, there is communication is coming. Maybe you want to communicate with them. You are in so much rush. It could be anything. But there is some communication. So let's see recent past, Page of Pentacles, High Priestess and Nine of Swords. Yes, you are missing someone a lot. You are getting a lot of thoughts regarding that person. And especially when you are alone, you are getting a lot of thoughts. You are losing your nights over them, and this is a very spiritual connection because the High Priestess is here. You both are connected even though you are in separation, even though you are in no contact. You still feeling their energy. And Page of Pentacles. So for some there was some communication in past. Maybe there is message, some argument. Maybe you both are in no contact situation. You are missing them a lot. But this is very strong spiritual connection. And then present, Devil, Ten of Swords and Nine of Pentacles. I think you are obsessed with them and or they are obsessed with you. There is some obsession in this connection. And for some, maybe this person is toxic for you. They are very dominative in nature. And Ten of Swords. Yes, you are in Nine of Swords, Ten of Swords energy. This is very negative. You have to come out of this energy and concentrate on your work or other issues, because Ten of Swords and Nine of Swords causing a lot of resistance and lot of anxiety and depression, especially in you. And Nine of Pentacles, yes, you started focusing on your career to forget your person, to forget all this, or to heal yourself. You started focusing on your career, Nine of Pentacles, but you still attracted to them and they also attracted to you. And one part of you want to move on from this person, but one part of you still want your person back. And future, Page of Cups, Ace of Swords and King of Pentacles. Ace of Swords. So there is communication with clarity. Some truth is coming out. And Page of Cups. Yes, someone is coming back with an apology. Someone want to say apology to you. And this person may be immature in and out of your life. And Ace of Swords. Yes, there is some communication is coming, especially with clarity. And King of Pentacles, if your person in past is non-committal to you, now they want to commit to you. King of Pentacles energy, and it's you concentrating on your abundance right now. You focusing totally on your career. Nine of Pentacles with King of Pentacles. You started focusing on your abundance and career. And the person involved in this connection could be Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius or Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio, especially Capricorn. So let's see their feelings and intentions towards you. Pisces, their feelings and intentions. Under the deck, Ace of Cups and Wheel of Fortune. So, Wheel of Fortune, maybe your person is waiting for right time. There is divine timing plays key role in this connection, and Ace of Cups. So what I'm getting here, your person doing self-love. Yes, they started investing energy on their self. Right now they're working on their self, to be honest. And they really want to communicate with you. They want to fix the things, but your person still some confusion. Maybe for some your person have options also, Seven of Cups. But for some your person fantasizing about you a lot. Still there is confusion, still they want to communicate with you, but still there is some confusion. And strength, yes, but they want to focusing on their self. They want to stand by their power no matter what. Right now your person focusing on their self growth more. They're thinking about how to overcome this pain. Maybe you're in separation, but in the at the same time they want to fix the things between both of you, but there is some confusion. Seven of Cups energy, but there is love. Definitely your person loves you. So let's see their intentions. Pisces, let's see their intentions. Lot of air energy. Your person could be Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. Two of Wands with Three of Cups. So they want celebration in this connection. And Two of Wands, maybe your person thinking about you a lot. This is not about options I'm getting, because Nine of Swords, they're missing you. So this is about they're thinking about you a lot. This is not about option. They're fantasizing you. They're thinking about you a lot. And Queen of Swords with Nine of Cups. But they started focusing on their self. Queen of Swords energy. Yes, there is communication is coming. They're willing to communicate with you. Six of Swords with Queen of Swords. So they want commitment in this connection. If you don't want to offer any commitment, they decided to move on. Yes, they want to set the boundaries. They want to focus on their self. They want best. They deserve best. And Nine of Cups, their wishes are going to be fulfilled. Yes, right now they're missing you so much. So that's why they will communicate with you. They want clarity. And if you give clarity, if you give commitment, yes, is it going to next level? Otherwise, maybe they decided to cut off. Yes, because they are working on their self right now. So let's pull some cards from universe where this connection is headed on. And outcome. And the person involved in this connection could be Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, or Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio. Queen of Pentacles with Eight of Pentacles. Yes, I think you both are concentrating on your career. Focusing on your growth, focusing on your career. You both have feelings, but you both, right now you both are concentrating on your career, because you both are waiting for right time maybe. Because Wheel of Fortune is here. And Hermit, right now you both are not talking with each other. And Ten of Wands, because it is become burden for both of you. And Page of Pentacles, but one person in this connection will initiate contact. It could be you or your person. I am saying it could be any side, from any side. But it is becoming burden for both of you, this relationship, because there is no equal give and take. There is no commitment. Yes, justice, second chances, and Six of Wands. So after the communication, you both will decide. You both want success. You both want second chances, because justice with Six of Wands, marriage, commitment. But right now you both are busy at your works, but your person missing you so much. Maybe they will initiate a contact, but they will set boundaries this time. They want commitment, that's all. If you don't want that commitment, they will cut off from you their life. So let's see your overall energy for the week, Pisces. And the person involved in this connection could be especially Libra or Capricorn or Sagittarius. So yeah, you focusing on yourself. You want to restore balance within you, Pisces. You stand by your power. Yes, you are at some crossroads. You have to make some decision. You're still attracted to this person. So let's see your person overall energy for the week, Pisces. Five of Swords, lot of fighting, disturbances between both of you. Your person is also at some crossroads, but there is mutual love between both of you. Both could be soulmates. And Knight of Cups. Yes, they have strong emotions for you. That's why they're missing you badly. Yes, there is communication is coming. Definitely there will be some communication between both of you. Someone is coming back with an apology. It could be your person. Yes, there is some communication and clarity is coming. So let's see some messages for you from Moon Oracle deck, Pisces. And I started a new Hindi tarot channel, Good Energy Tarot Hindi. So if you want to see those readings, please do check. I will provide link in the description box. Please do subscribe and support me. And a time for healing. So if you are going through a lot of things in your life right now, this is the message for you, a time for healing. So this is the reading for you guys. Hope it resonates to you. Please do share, like and subscribe my channel and click the bell icon. Then you will get all my video notification. Thank you so much for watching and supporting me. Thank you.